Learn how to make blue frosting with gel food coloring to decorate cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. Blue frosting is perfect for beach or pool-themed desserts and treats for the 4th of July. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add 5 drops of blue gel food coloring to 1 cup of your favorite white frosting. If you have seen my other frosting videos, you know I love using the Maricolor brand, but any gel food coloring will work. Mix the food coloring into the frosting until it is completely mixed in. If you are happy with this color, start using the frosting or let it sit out, which will help darken the color. Blue is not a hard color to make since it is a primary color, but you can make different shades of blue. To get a darker shade of blue, add more drops of blue gel food coloring to the frosting and mix it in. Gel food coloring gives a much more vibrant color than liquid food coloring, and you do not need to use the whole bottle to get the color you want. Using a toothpick, add a small amount of red gel food coloring and stir it into the frosting until it is completely mixed in. The toothpick allows you to control the amount of red gel food coloring added to the frosting, since using drops of food coloring from the bottle can sometimes add too much. Continue using a toothpick to add a little bit of red gel food coloring to the frosting until you are happy with the shade of blue. Check out more videos on how to make other colored frostings in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.